Hello all, a very warm welcome to my channel. And today I am going to discuss a very interesting and wonderful poem of Vikram Seth, that is The Frog and the Nightingale. So once upon a time there was a frog who croaked and croaked and croaked in Bengal bog, means marshy areas near the sumac tree. Every creature living around the sumac tree hated his voice, but no matter how much they hated his voice, they had no choice. They had to bear and listen to his song. So one day, Nightingale perched on the sumac tree and sang a melodious song. Everybody was delighted and they all applauded the bird and requested her to sing until the break of the day. But the frog was quite envious that the bird was her new rival. He was not ready to accept her. So he started thinking of some plans to get rid of this little bird. So next day, when the nightingale was all set to sing her beautiful song, the frog approached her and told her that he is the owner of the sumac tree and he has a splendid voice and everybody knows him for this only. And you need a vocal training. And the little bird got convinced with this frog and accepted her offer. The nightingale sang and attracted animals from far away. So the greedy frog earned and became richer. He was happy as he was becoming rich, but he had a feeling of bitterness too, as the nightingale was growing famous day by day through her singing. Soon the frog started her vocal training and started pinpointing her unfalse mistakes. She asked the bird to sing continuously for 6 hours in the bad weather, and as a result her voice became so hoarse and she started shivering. She had no more courage to sing, so she sang out loudly and her veins burst out and she died away. And the unsympathetic frog did not have any mercy on the poor timid bird, and he said that she brought her downfall on her own only, because it was her mistake that she got influenced so quickly. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice day.